By the end of this video, I will help you understand how to work with n8n templates. As we are building more and more products on top of n8n, you might want to use the templates that other people have built and customize based on their need. That's exactly what we are doing today. Today, we are going to use a template from online source, copy that in our local n8n instance, customize based on our need, and then finally run and see if that works. Let's go to n8n.io. This is the website for n8n, and click on products, then templates. The cool thing about this site is that there are many creators who are offering the templates for free. Let's do landing page analyzer. Let's see this. Analyze landing page with OpenAI and get optimization tips. Great. So this should be easy for us to work, and as we can see, it's actually roasting us based on the condition of the website. So this should be fun. Click on this use for free. You can see you can either copy to your local instance if you are working on a cloud. You can click on get started free with n8n cloud, but for our case we are working locally, so I'm gonna do import template to localhost 5678 localhosted instance. As soon as I click there, it takes me to a new tab that says I need to connect with my OpenAI chat model. Well, we can definitely do this, but because OpenAI requires us to input our payment info, I usually go with Google Gemini because that's free. So in this video, I'm going to use Google Gemini. Okay, let's click on skip, and there we go. So we have the template successfully imported. Now we need to customize a little bit as per our design doc. We got the template from online source. We copied that in our local instance. Now let's go ahead and customize our template. If you guys are new here, there's a video on how to connect with Google Gemini in n8n instance for free. So be sure to check that out if you need help there. So I will go ahead now and proceed with changing our model. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete what is already here because I'm going to use different chat model. Okay, so let's see. Click on this chat model and search for Google Gemini chat model. Okay, let's click here. I already have the account set up. Like I mentioned, if you need help there, please go and check that video out. So you can also set up your Gemini chat model for free. So once I have that, let me go back to the canvas. You can see the Gemini chat model is now connected to our AI agent block or the node, right? So what is next? So let's just save it. Let's try to run if this works. There we go. So we have a pop-up window that says landing page URL. It's actually asking us to enter a landing page. Let's click on execute workflow. Let's see what happens. Now we see a pop-up window coming up here, and in the landing page URL, I'm gonna do https google.com. Let's see how they are doing. It says form submitted. Okay, as you can see, the agent is already working with Gemini chat model to work with the prompt that comes with the template. If you double click on the agent, AI agent, and click on this little button here, it expands to a bigger window and you can see the chat prompt that was provided as a part of the template. If you read this, the prompt says you are a professional expert in conversion rate optimization who helps business founders and CMOs improve their landing pages, right? Basically, we didn't write the prompt. This is the part of the template that's interesting because somebody else already wrote the prompt for us. Okay, if you need, you can also customize the prompt, but for today we are going to leave as it is and see how it works. Right, so you can see it has completed the execution. Okay, now great. So what is the outcome of this? All right, let's double click that, and if you read the output, it actually generated text message, right? So this is good, but this is not very helpful or reliable if we want to save it and take the feedback from the analysis and make some decision to improve our landing page, right? So for that reason, let's save this somewhere in our cloud or the Google Drive. So let's click on here. So now comes the customization part. You can do as you want or as per your need, but today I'm gonna save this to Google Drive so we can go back and check about the analysis. Okay, let's click on this plus icon and search for Google Docs is there. So the first step is we need to create the document. We already have the output coming from our AI agent. Now it has to be dumped to the document, right? So let's click on that. Now once the document is created, let's work until the creation part first. Let's tidy up a little bit and let's execute the flow again. Let's hit enter google.com, submit. Okay, let's let it run for some time. It is not going to dump anything to our Drive account. It will only create the document. Great. As you can see, the document has been created and the execution has completed. The reason of this execution is because now we have the data that we need to integrate our update execution. Create a title for our created document. Okay, so go here and title would be review for the document, review for the URL that was pasted here, landing page URL. So it's paste right here. Okay, now we can see a review for whatever the name of the website is, and that should be fine. Now let's go to our new node and search for docs. Here we're going to choose the updated document operation. Doc ID would be coming from the created document node, and the ID is going to be coming from here. Now that's good. It's gonna pick up the right document, and the content of the document would be from the AI agent, right? Whatever the output comes from the agent, that would be dumped to the document that was created earlier. Okay, great. So it should be fine. Let's go to our canvas. Let's save it. Let's tidy up and execute the flow. All right, it's asking the URL again. Let me do google.com. Okay, let's see how it goes. There we go. So we just saw everything green. So that means everything should have been updated in this document ID. Let's go to our Drive and check if things worked out fine or not. That is it, guys. Look at that. It created the document review for this site, the URL. And then here, all the roast or the review done by the agent is uploaded here. This is how we can take any template from n8n.io, bring it to our instance, and customize as per our need. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.